Thanks, Denise. Meanwhile, in the late session at the Central Championships, Kellyanne Carr defended her Class 1 400-meter title, winning in 53.38 seconds ahead of Holmwood technical pair, Abriana Wright and Kristen Herbert. Holmwood's Anastasia Hall claimed the Class 2 title, beating out teammate Madison Campbell and Ferncourt's Shanate Burke. Holmwood also won the Class 3 event, with Tiana Burke getting the better of Edwin Allen's Malika MacDonald, that's Michaela MacDonald, and Ferncourt's Chantel Brown. Meanwhile, Holmwood Technical lead the girls' side after 19 finals with 169 points. They are followed by defending champions Edwin Allen 157, Vertec 88, Jago 87.5, and Alphonsus Davis are in fifth on 44.5. Head coach of Edwin Allen, Michael Dyke, isn't too concerned about not leading at the end of day one, as he is eyeing the bigger picture.
This is Central Champs, which is our breeding ground for talents, and the Central Champs Championship is always a good indicator of, what to expect at the national championship. We are here to compete, and whatever the outcome is, we will accept it. But we are giving the youngsters a chance to compete and showcase their talent.
On the boys' side, Daniel Francis of Alphonsus Davis landed the Class 1 400-meter title in 47.69 seconds, beating Troy and Fletcher of Manchester High and Denby's Shanton White. Clarendon College's Raven Black took the Class 2 title, with Hydale's Jordan Fenton and Knox College's Darren Richards second and third, respectively. The Class 3 crown went to Rajay Hall of Denby High, who got the better of Camoy Leonard of Clarendon College and Giovanni Peter Kane of St. Jago. After 19 finals, defending champion St. Jago lead with 131 points, and they are followed by Edwin Allen on 94, Clarendon College 61, St. Catherine High 53, and Manchester High also on 53, rounding out the top five. St. Jago's assistant coach, LeQuayne Brooks, is expecting his team to retain their title.
And we're expecting great things from them as well. Then we are into, I think, all the football and finals, and we're expecting great things from them as well. Also in the 4x4 for the boys.